Okay, let's start the File Explorer window, and I want to copy the video files from the memory card of the camera to the computer. But I have to enter this folder, that folder, that folder, and that folder, and then copy the files. Okay, so to avoid that entering into folder thing, let's do the following thing. So copy this path, copy, and go back to the root folder of the memory card. Right click here and new and text document. Let's call it enter video folder. Okay, and instead of txt type in bat, so it will be a batch file instead of text file, and press enter. Okay, change the file name extension. Now right click on that batch file and go to edit and type in Explorer, put a sign like this instead of in front of the Explorer so the command will not be shown. Explorer, that's from File Explorer, which is this program. Okay, and space and the path of that video folder, but remove the drive letter because it might not be always that drive. So it's that sign, Explorer, and the path of the video files. Close it and save it. Okay, now instead of going into this, that, and that folder to get the video files, let's get out from here. Now just double click this batch file and it will automatically open that folder. And now you can copy your video files and paste them onto the desktop.